Namaste. Welcome. Thank you all. Thank you all. Thank you all for being here because in this moment, especially with all this what's going on around us, we are all speaking about the same thing, about the virus, but now why don't we think and really focus that this is just created, human made, and we are human, we have the power. There is inside us, there is a huge power, the powerhouse. We are powerful, we have God inside us. So let's just begin this moment that we have the capacity as to make our immune system so strong. And I'll just show you very few exercises are marmas, which are very, very old, but time immemorial, always there has been in the Vedas, in the Shastras. It's possible for us definitely to make ourselves stronger, our immune system stronger, and IgA level definitely to go up. All that you say is already say thanks. I am already very sure that we are fine, everything is fine, and we are protected, and there is the light which is much more bigger than all this which is happening. So now we as human and with our super consciousness, because we have changed, we all have changed our consciousness and our vibration has gone up. And today, sitting here with the Mother Earth, I feel the energy, the magnetic power, the vibration, the frequency. It's completely so strong that it's also a part with the infinite intelligence which goes to the body, and we are able to change. I feel an infinite just going around me. Already I feel, and when I'm breathing, my lungs, I feel totally the capacity to breathe. This is prana. It's the breathing which is our life force. There is no literal translation of the word prana, which is, of course, very near word is vital. Okay, if our vital power is stronger, definitely we are able to maintain this breathing, this rhythm, this prana that we are born with. Of course, when a child is born, it's the prana. I mean, when it comes into the fetus, it's the prana. So now we are going to make this prana very, very strong. And let us really breathe. As we are breathing, feel the lungs of the Mother Earth. So when you feel that, the energy already goes up. And say thanks. And I feel the Mother Earth here in my heart, right here. And of course, we all know now it's proved with the Atma Institute that we all just holding ourselves are the mudra which in the old yogis were practicing. That we could put our hand here and just feel thankfulness. Be grateful for everything. Feel the love inside that I really love. If I am created, I love me. And the compassion and being kind to me. And of course, I feel complete compassion, kindness, and I take care of myself. I feel peace within me and peace everywhere. I feel in harmony with everything, the universe. I am dancing and I feel the vibration. My aura or the energy field is changing. Now, all that you have to do is your hands, okay? Just try to rub the hands and feel already the vibration. And once you feel that, hold this, the index finger and the middle finger, and just tap here, tap, 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 and let go all these tensions that you are holding on for so many months with this fear. Now I am letting go all this fear. And if it is possible, you can also rate. Now before you do it, you can rate yourself. Rate between 10 to 1. 10 is the highest, 1 is the lowest. So you see in how much stress or tension or fear that you are holding. Now if you have rated it, now keep the table, keep it in your mind, and now start doing this. Just let go, let go, let go all this I'm holding, let go all this that's there in my memory. I let go. I let go that I can breathe out all the tension. I let go all the fear. I let go completely all this that I have been so far living with this fear and this sadness, the worry. Make the worry just like this, make it less, and throw it out. And let go, especially from all this tension that I am holding in my back and here, just the breast. Near to that, tap it and let go the anxiety, let go all the tension, let go, let go, let go, let go, let go my negative thoughts. Just keep doing that and feel it. It's very important. It's not just that. With your intention has to be strong and elevated emotion. Let go, 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 and already feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it, feel. Feel completely all around you that it's already letting go, because these are the marmas, these are the point meridians which are connected completely with our physiological system. Now, in a way, I am changing the physiology in a biological way. So, the neurons inside me and all the memory is already changing. Now, relax and feel totally a golden light that's really entering you, and feel heavy and start smiling and feel totally the energy going down, 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 down. My whole lungs are really breathing and my heart is totally full of light. And in the back, I feel totally golden light all around all the 33 vertebrae, and I feel totally charged. And if really in this moment I can feel the cells, each cell with a golden energy, which goes to every part of my body, breathing, and I feel really good, physically, mentally at peace, in harmony with with myself and with the universe. I am happy already, and spiritually I feel elevated. Thank you all. You do it now. You rate your stress level. I'm sure it has come down. If it did, keep practicing. If you can do it even 2 times a day, 3 times a day, whatever you can do. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. Gracias. Dhanyavad.